Hello, thank you for the opportunity to introduce myself today. My name is Rafael Alexandro Valentino Kiulu, and I am currently an information systems student at Telkom University Jakarta. I am very excited to be here because this interview allows me to share not only my background but also the values, experiences, and qualities that shape who I am and who I am. To begin with, I come from Bogor, West Java, and I've always been someone who loves learning new things, especially anything that combines people, systems, and problem solving. That is one of the reasons I choose to study information system. I enjoy understanding how process work, how information flows, and how technology can support or improve a business. During my studies, I have taken courses such as business process management, software engineering, database system, and project management, which have given me a strong foundation in both the technical and organizational sides of information system. In addition to my academic journey, a significant part of my personal development comes from my professional experience in customer service. I worked as a waitress at Rumah Onet and later at the Mami. Example, so these experiences taught me valuable skills that I believe are extremely important in any workplace. For example, I learned how to communicate clearly with customers, how to stay calm during busy hour, how to collaborate with different teams such as the kitchen and cashier, and how to handle complaints professionally. Working in a fast-paced environment also strengthened my time management skills and helped me become more detail-oriented, especially when dealing with orders and customer needs. Another big part of my growth comes from my involvement in organizational and leadership roles. Throughout high school and university, I've been trusted with several responsibilities, such as youth leader at my church and various coordinator roles at PMK Telkom University Jakarta. These roles require leadership, teamwork, event planning, and the ability to stay organized when handling multiple tasks. For example, when coordinating Christmas and Easter events, I work closely with different teams, plan schedule, manage communication, and ensure everything ran smoothly. These experiences help me become more confident, responsible, and capable of managing people and activities effectively. And now I want to share a little bit of my strength. One of my biggest strength is adaptability. Whether it's adjusting to new environments, learning new tools, or handling unexpected challenges, I am able to adapt quickly. This helps me stay calm and think clearly even when situation change suddenly. I'm also highly responsible and organized. Once I commit to a task, I make sure to finish it properly. This sense of responsibility has always helped me gain trust from supervisor and teammates, whether in academic, organizational, or work settings. Um, of course, I also have areas I am still working to improve. One of my weakness is that sometimes I take on too many responsibilities at once. I tend to say yes because I want to help, contribute, and not disappoint others. However, I've learned that handling too much at the same time can lead to stress or lower efficiency. So now I'm learning to prioritize better, focusing on what is more important first, delegating when necessary, and maintaining a healthy balance. This has helped me become more productive and less overwhelmed. Overall, what I bring to any team is combination of technical understanding, strong communication, service-oriented values, leadership experience, and a willingness to learn. I may still be early in my professional journey, but I am highly motivated, eager to grow, and ready to take on challenges. I enjoy environments where I can contribute meaningfully while continuing to develop my skill. Now I would like to answer the five question of business analyst. Question one. Together requirements. I usually start by understanding to the business context through interview and discussion with stakeholders. And I also observe the existing process, review any supporting documents, and identify the core problems they face. And then to validate the requirements, I confirm them through follow-up meetings, user walkthroughs, and clarification session. This ensure that the requirements are accurate, aligned, aligned with business goals, and fully understood before moving forward. Question two, functional requirement describe what the system should do, such as feature, action, or workflows. For example, the system must allow users to view transaction history. Non-functional requirements describe how the system should perform, such as speed, security, usability, or reliability. For example, the system should load the transaction page in under 2 seconds. Question three. One example comes from my organizational experience on campus. When I was coordinating a large event, we faced issues with budget limitation and logistics. I gathered information from different teams, analyzed their needs, prioritize tasks, and propose a more efficient plan for transportation and scheduling. Based on that analysis, I strategic decision was made to adjust the event flow and optimize resources. This helped reduce costs and ensured the event runs smoothly. Even though it was an organizational context, the process was very similar to business analysis, collecting data, understanding stakeholder, and present, presenting a solution. Question four. You should choose me because I bring a balance of technical understanding, strong communication skills, and real-world customer service experience. I understand business process and how to document requirement fully, but I can also communicate effectively with user and different teams. I am adaptable, responsible, detail-oriented, and eager to learn. Even though I am the beginning of my professional journey, I am highly motivated and committed to contributing value to the team. And the last question, uh, what does business analyst team structure look like in this company? The second, what tools or methodologies do you usually use for requirement gathering and documentation? And the last, what qualities do you consider most important for someone to succeed in this role? Eh, Mungkin cukup sekian interview dari saya, kurang lebih mohon maaf. Eh, Terima kasih.